Back up.
Back in my day.
Back in my day.
Outnumbered fight? Hello?
Outnumbered fight.
Let's go,
Hindi,
buddy.
onti lang.
Hello.
Ano tayo, no? Tangina.
Ano naman,
Limang
matalo?
brimstone sa party 1 eh.
Ano naman, matalo tayo?
Kaya,
Yo, nga. Tsupain ka lang naman.
cleric
Hindi naman, hindi naman mawawala ng gear. Ano pa?
Tama.
Dignidad lang yung mawawala, par.
Dignidad lang.
Okay lang.
Bahala yun dyan. Di wala na sa akin yun.
Uy, gago si Herb 02. Be a killer or be a servant.
Oh, pa-code pa dyan ah.
Big deal versus irregular bot. Bobot nila to, bro.
Ang tagal na
Dapat-
isa, sino ba to?
Puta baka si Bush na naman yan.
Si Bush yan, pre.
Dapat
Si Bush yan.
matinukuls mo kay Herbs ah.
Kinang ina tatanggalin ko yung bush niyan.
Wala si Bush.
Wow.
Hindi, papakita ko lang si Yamji ng pangmalakasan, boy.
Alright, let's go. Top point,
Ina.
Kapal yan si
Right.
Hearts par.
Mount up.
Oh, put up.
Oh, clear comes na.
On top map.
Mount up.
Ina nyo. Crown,
Combat scout.
crown.
Paka-round ako, Blossom.
Tangina yung
Go
isa
east,
namin
go
na
east,
lang
go east,
8.3 bag oh.
Yabang.
8.4 na bag pala.
Go isa. Sabay angat agad tayo ng north. Go east. Follow me. Follow me.
Yung laki ng mawag bro.
Follow me.
Okay, bro.
Clear comes.
Smart.
Wait lang mo.
Smart.
Scout ko. Ha? Wait lang ha. You're here, walking here.
Dismount, everyone. May death tank. Dismount.
Sige, dismount nyo ako. Dismount nyo ako. Sige, they're dismounting me. Sige, pwede ka mag-push. Pagka-dismount sa akin, mag-SOB ako. You can push in.
Sige. Hold lang.
Dismounted ako. They're full engage. Full engaging us.
Go inside.
JJ.
Go inside, sige lang, go inside. Don't be scared. Go inside. In shop northwest. Prepare to engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big fucking clamp. Delete them. Go east, go back. Dropping Judy. Go inside of them now. Go inside. Don't be scared. Go inside. 10 seconds engage ah.
They're looking.
Go inside, please. Go inside. Spread. Engaging inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huge clump, boys. Huge clump. Delete. Go back north now. Go back north. Up the stairs. Go back north. Up the stairs. Kill Dominic.
Madam, tayo ka sa ili ko daw, medyo mapalat.
Kill nyo nga to, putang ina. Patayin nyo to, putang ina. Balik. Tang ina nyo, balik.
Let them come in muna saan? Sa
Let them
gitna.
come in.
Binuli ang puta.
Punta ka sa gitna.
Sabihin nila, chill fight sila eh.
Okay na.
Ay, dapat, may mamot pa. Sabi dapat may mamot din ako.
Patay lahat, gago. Nakamount up sila. Fix yung mamot natin, pre. Fix yung mamot natin.
Pinawang scout yung mamot eh.
Gago par, naglalag ako par legit.
Dismounting sila. Dismount.
Sige.
Taken. Spammer Q3 in the choke. May death tank. Wala pa pre. Wala pa sinasabi ah.
Spamming.
Wala pa sinasabi
Yo,
ah.
mag-walk. Pwede ka mag-walk.
Okay side of them.
Pwede ka mag-walk.
They're defensive ba? Engaging status in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huge club, boys. Delete. Go northeast. Back north. Dropping Judy. Go back northeast. Defensive. Hill front. Hill Badsy. Go back northeast. Actually, go inside of them, boys. Southwest. Go inside. Southwest. Engaging backline. Deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep, boys. Deep. Tangina, patayin nyo to. Wala silang healer, pre. Patayin nyo to. Balik. Northeast, balik. Masyado na kayo. Deep, balik. Balik. Defensive. Nice defensive, guys. Nice defensive. Go inside of them. Walk inside of them. Walk inside. Engaging ako 5 ah. Southwest. Sige lang. Southwest, ready inside of you guys ah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 dito. Ay, tang ina mo. Sige. Patayin niyo.
Kaya pa yun? Kaya pa?
Hold lang.
Sobrang lag.
Patayin yan.
Ako nag-enjoy.
Hold lang.
Nag-pause.
Pwede ka mag-back. Give them space.
Back tayo. Mount.
Mount.
Blossom.
Pwede pa heal. Never mind. Hindi naman ako kailangan i-hit. Sino ba naman ako?
Wala bang heal? Hindi ba kita na-heal?
Hindi! Tatambong ko! Yaka!
Go mid.
8.4 na kasi.
Yum.
Aw.
May papasok ako isa, Armark Z, kaso magpapaspec up pa lang.
Sige. Okay
Almost
lang.
there,
Para-
super mid. Okay lang ba sa iyo?
Oh, sige. Ako na magsabi. Nagalitan yun. Ano pangalan?
Armark Z.
Mark C. Marunong.
Dapat wala nagpanay helmet ako ay isa lang.
Badji, huwag ka kurutun, Badji.
Pag
Isa na sila.
Teka lang.
Yung mga nakamamat yung nag-i-scout. Yung mga mamat ng i-scout.
Dapat.
Para flexan nyo.
North.
Northwest.
Let them in the choke. Give them space, Harps. Push mo east.
Sige, give them space.
East.
Spam your Q3, on the choke Def tank. Spam your
East muna guys. Wag nyo, Blossom, wag nyo muna anuhin. Hayaan nyo silang pumasok para matuto silang mag-open world.
Sige.
Kasi either way, kakantotin din naman sila sa open world eh.
Sige.
I-bait mo yung death tanks nila, push in tayo, tapos sabay pull out, push in pull out, parang ganun lang.
Parang nagkakandutan nga lang.
Ano to, ba't nagbubak na sila? Ay, tangad. Engage nga. Wait lang. Go back. Patayin nyo to si Madregas.
Oh,
Back.
grabe.
Hold.
Na-dismount ako, na-dismount. Pwede ka mag...
Walk in northwest. Defensive.
Wala,
Okay. Go inside of them. Go inside. Prepare to
Charge,
engage
looking.
inside of us. Engage inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huge clump, boys. Delete them. Nice fucking damage. Go back northeast. Go southeast. Go back southeast. Go back southeast, boys, and heal everyone. Dropping Judy in the choke. Heal. Go back southeast. Heal. Taas kayo ng choke. Sige lang. Taas kayo choke.
Tatayo ako para
Kayo
may-
sa southeast.
Tatayo ako para...
Heal nga sa front pile.
1,
Sige lang par.
3, 4...
Patayin nyo to.
Thank you.
Nice one. Huwag kayo masyadong kalamp, pre. Isa lang yan. Engaging west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep. It's all of them. Oh my fucking god, bro. Run over. Run them over. Dropping Judy. Run them over, boys. Defensive.
Pwede ka mag...
Kill them. Just kill them, boys. Just kill them. Kill them. May engage ako. 5 seconds inside of us. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my fucking god, huge club, boys. Kill them. Go back north.
No mana ako. I don't have
Go back north.
Alam mo, ulit-ulit yung mali nila. Dinidismount nila ako.
Tangina par, nakikita ko ng future ni Herbs par, mag-call ka sa big deal, diririgan na kita.
Ako ba, Badji? Pwede ba
Next,
mag-call?
si ano naman.
Punta kayo.
Blossom, ikaw nga magpa-dismount. Tingnan mo gawin mo nga yung ginagawa. Baka sabihin, luto eh. Ikaw magpa-dismount, tingnan mo mag-swimming kayo, di-dismount ka nila, tapos i-hold mo sila.
Ako lalapit doon.
Sige, Badji. Ikaw magpa-dismount, Badji. Tingnan mo.
Matagal to par medyo matagal to par.
Gagaboy, baka balatan ka
Matagal
dyan.
to, par.
Baka balatan ka dyan.
Just hold. But sige lang. Kailangan kita. Just hold. Kailangan dami Shiki ah. This just hold, just hold.
Looking hodge.
Go back, actually go back east. Go back east everyone. Go back east. Defensive. Counter west in 5, 4 deep, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Go back.
Injun ko yung choke, par. Injun ko yung choke.
Go back east everyone. Go back east. Sabi ko go back east. Go back east. Stabilize, go back east. Nice one. Stabilize, go back east. Let them in, boys.
If you want to let them in, push ka pa north, southeast. Push ka pa southeast. Everyone southeast, even yung depth tanks. Push ka pa southeast.
Go southeast.
Para mag-open world cell.
Go southeast.
Dito. Walang magpipaste.
Sige.
Ay,
Ayun,
ayun,
Nine. Spread north and west.
Ano mo, tira?
Everyone. Go up the stairs and spread. Go up the stairs and spread. Engaging west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on their backline, boys. Oh my fucking gosh, it's everyone. Kill them. Run them, boys. Wala na to. Run them. Kill everyone. Etong nasa backline, no? Dropping Judy sa choke.
You're looking, baka mag-turn yan ha.
Go back northeast. Patayin nyo atong dalawa dito sa dulo. Patayin nyo to.
Makulit yan eh. Bakit tayo? Wala. Sige tayo. Alam sana yun, no?
Patayin nyo to. Ano na ito? Ano to? Kill this bitch, boys!
Tangina ba, post ka ng post,
Go
ha?
back east. Go back southeast.
Next mong gawin, Harps, ganito mo yung next try. Di ba puro engage tayo ng malayo? Try mo mag-swimming inside of them, then you engage inside.
Yung
Yun naman i-try mo para at least na ano ka, nasusubok mo.
Defensive.
Cleric.
Wala fake.
Wala, fake.
Pushin kami ah.
Go northeast. Sige. Walk in.
Bobo na
Walk in. Spread north, everyone. Walk in. Spread north. I-clap natin tong mga ano nila, tong mga depth tank nila. Inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Kite northeast.
You're looking.
Kite northeast. Dropping Judy. Defensive.
Bago mo sila makapag-pop ng damage, pre.
Hindi sila nakapag-hit.
Just heal. Go back northeast.
nakaharang.
Go inside of them now. Southwest. Go southwest. Guys, come on. Go southwest. Bilisan nyo, Southwest deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is everyone, boys, kill these bitches. Go back.
You're looking.
Defensive. Nice one. Pop your pots, then go outside.
Dali pa
Pop
ako.
your pots, then go northeast. Heals on the front. Dropping Judy. Yung mga tanks ko, pa-spam nga ako ng silence. Look southwest in the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke. Oh my god, huge fucking clump. Delete these bitches, boys. Delete. Nice one. Go southeast. Go back southeast. Stabilize. Blossom crop masyadong malayo. Go back southeast.
Oo, napagalitan.
Boys, go back southeast. Iwan nyo na yan. Oh, bus kayo dun.
Ay, na-GGA ako, gago.
Dinudugo kayo.
Chimken dito ako. Tatayo ako. 1, 2, 3. Chimken, thank you.
Di ko ba...
Ang galaw mo kasi, man. Puta
Mas
ka
ano
na.
eh. Ilagan ko din eh.
Tos.
Parehas ko eh. Nagpapabatitero kami.
Try natin naman nagka-kite tayo, par.
Wala akong
practice.
Kung magkakite, magpapalit ako ng bedrock.
Balik ka muna, Bedrock.
Oh, sige, sila muna papa-engage natin.
Ito gagawin natin, Blossom, para mag-kite ha. Si Yamji kasi yung magbe-bedrock. We hold them one by one.
Offensive
Then
ako.
saka
Eh,
mag-bedrock siya para matapapatalsik sila for
Go back northeast. Follow me. Go behind this tower.
I-hold mo kapag magta-turn na. Sasabihin mo,
Pansi, may tiwala ka ba sa akin? Club nga tayo.
Go behind this. This tower. Go northeast, guys. Northeast. Wag southeast. Northeast. Spread northeast. Spread northeast. Let them in. Invite them, guys. Let them in. Looking. Okay, fake. Prepare to engage out. Okay, inch up.
Kahit ka muna.
Okay, kite northeast. Defensive. Look inside of them now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huge clump. Delete. Go back. East, go back. Southeast. Go back southeast.
Sorry.
Spread south. Sabi ko southeast. Sige, go northeast na lang. Defensive.
Fake.
Yes. Go back. Go down the stairs.
Kahit mo kami southeast. Huwag kang mag-camp.
Go down the stairs. Stabilize. Go down the stairs. Stabilize. Def tank, hold this choke. Def tank.
Ang ina, hindi ako naka-snare charge. Wait lang. Magre-reset ako. Dapat naka-guard rune ako.
Hold.
Dito ka mag-kite sa clamp po. Dito ka mag-kite sa choke. Para matuto tayo.
Sige.
Oh,
Defensive. Go inside of them now. Inside of them. Okay, go back. Go back. Is.
Pero engage inside.
Go back. Okay, prepare to engage northwest deep. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, deep. Huge clamp. Disturb him. Oh my fucking god, huge clamp. Go back. Is. Drop.
Na bedrock.
Go back is everyone. Go back is and stabilize.
Pag
Go back
kite,
is and stabilize.
walk half screen talaga. Kite talaga tayo. Like, kite talaga. Kite.
Go back is and stabilize. Go back is and stabilize.
Nag-overstay tayo.
Oo. Go back is and stabilize. Masyado tayo matagal. Spam your Q3 here in the choke. Spam your Q3. Defensive. Engaging deep inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Nice damage. That's not Go back northeast. Dropping Judy. Go back northeast. Defensive.
Na-bedrock ko sila.
Go back northeast, guys. Just keep going northeast. Keep going back northeast.
Hindi ka mag-turn.
Turn. Look at them southeast. In deep. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huge clamp. Nakapag-night helmet. Back. Okay, good. Go back. Soldier.
Ano, wag niyo muna patungan yung comms ni Herb, sayahan niyo muna siya.
Soldier. Hold lang.
Teka, mag-full reset ako, guys.
Yung healing niyan, mag-2 stacks ka muna sa sarili mo, tapos doon ko gumamit ng W, tapos doon ko mag-heal.
Okay daw ko.
Marunong pala siya eh.
Panis.
Anis ka ba ni?
Tapos ka na.
Okay, go down the choke. Go down the choke. Okay, engage on this tank in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage on him. Kill him. Go back. Is.
May tatry ako.
No.
I-air compress ko tapos itutulak ko papunta.
Sige. Go back is. Just keep going back.
Ready.
Sige.
Okay. After na engage nila. Yung backline pupuntahan ko.
Wait lang. 8 seconds. Go back.
You're kiting.
Go up.
Ito, ready.
Sige, ready. Go back.
Fail. Pwede kang mag...
Defensive. Dropping Judy. Engaging west. Okay, go back, defensive. Engaging west deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill these bitches, kill these healers. Go back north. Kite northwest. Go down the choke and hold. Kite oh puta, kite west. Just keep kiting. Keep kiting. Look at them now. North. Defensive. Fuck. Look north. Deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On these tanks. Oh, wipe tayo, wipe.
I'm dead. Phantom. Oh my. 5.4
Hirap ka pa ata mag-guide.
Oh, hirap pa mag-guide.
Ano ka na lang yan, balik ka ulit sa ano.
Labat siya no.
SOB?
Galit ka sa'yo yan.
Ang ayun, bobo ko dito.
Wala, hirap ng kite. Hirap ng kite.
Hirap mga kite.
Hirap nun.
Pag magka-kite ka rin kasi kailangan coordinated lahat ng defense mo.
Bagal naman ito umilip.
It's okay.
Baligay. Tayo natin si Joshua. Ex-Joshua.
Dinidismount nila si Badsio. Kulit eh.
Ang lala eh.
Paano nga ako? Pahil.
Dismount. Everyone.
Nice breeze.
Nice W by Otsuki. Walang tinamaan.
W.
Yun na.
Next round na ito, seryosohin nyo. We just auto all in always.
Pwede nang mag-in. Pwede ka nang mag-in.
Go southwest. We're trying to west in 5. Okay. Go back. Cancel. Just spread west. Go inside, spread west.
Nag-engage na sila kay Fera.
Go inside and spread west in 5. Okay. Spread lang. Look west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Okay. Defensive. Kite east. Pop your potion. Kite east and heal everyone. Dropping Judy. Heals on the Judy. Please. Look at them. Okay, look at them. Ready. Look at them. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke. Kill everyone.
Hold on, defense mo.
Go back. Pop your boots. Go back. Just go back. Just keep going back.
Yan, dalawang Petron, isang AC.
Keep going back.
It's working. Wait nga tayo.
Wait tayo. Tangin na nagka-counter sila. The fuck?
Si Castle naman yun, marunong naman yun.
Ay, ganito na lang. Wag nyo muna ubusin yung skills nyo. Pagka nag-engage tayo, since nagka-counter sila, pag nakita nyo nag-engage ako, ready nyo na yung mga snare charge nyo, yung mga purge nyo sa sa mga DPS. Kasi nagka-counter sila eh. Pansin ko lang.
Lagi na.
Kahit snare charge nyo lang muna yung yung mga DPS. Kahit snare charge silence lang. Huwag nyo munang gagamitan ng purge. Or
Bap. Heal bap.
Pap.
Heal.
Ba't low HP to si Shike?
Yung Outsuki, pag nag-W ka, dapat may flower yung
Mount up everyone, mount up.
pinag-W-han mo. Para kumalat yung flower.
Go northwest. Mount up, go northwest. Mount up, I said mount up guys. Mount up. Let's go.
Ow.
Asan sila?
Silanting.
Southwest.
Big stairs to the side. Big stairs on the
Smart. Oh, go back north. Dismount, go back north. Dismount. Go back north. Pwede kayo mag-spread sa taas ng north.
Blossom.
Okay, go inside of them.
Pwede ka na mag-walk in, na-hold ko na sila.
Walk in. Pass, everyone. Walk in. Go, walk in, walk in, walk in, walk in, walk in, walk in. Pass, 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 pass. Pass, pass, pass. Look south, ah. Look south, ah. Look south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South. On me, on me, on me, on me, on me, on me, on me. Go, okay, go back south, go back south. Kite south, kite south, kite south, kite south. Kite south, everyone. Kite south, kite south, kite south. Kite south, not west. South, south, south. Defensive, 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 defensive. Defensive. Sabi ko kasi south eh. Sabi ko mag-south kayo eh. Walk inside, walk inside, walk inside. Dropping Judy, dropping Judy. Walk inside of them, walk inside of them, walk inside of them, walk inside of them. Walk inside of them, walk inside of them, walk inside of them. Look west, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Go north, 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 go north. Go north, go north, go north, north. Look north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huge clump on north side. Huge clump, huge clump, huge clump, huge clump. Nice kill, nice kill, nice kill, nice kill. Go back north, go back north. Go back north and stabilize. Masyado kayong clamp, masyado kayong clamp. Go back north and stabilize. Go back north and stabilize. Go back north and stabilize. Defensive, defensive, defensive. Pop your pots. Pots. Spread. Okay, spread. Look west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side now on my fucking clamp, boys. On my fucking clamp. Nice kill. Fake and go west. Go east. Dropping Judy. Angat kayo. Angat lang kayo. Go south. Engaging sila. Look north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On their back line. On me. Nice kill. Kill Johan. Defensive. Defensive.
Good shit, man. Good shit.
Nice lang.
Good call.
Napakadaming clamp taka po. Nalilito ko.
Pwede natin